To avoid payment blocks on TikTok, it's important to follow specific guidelines and best practices. This guide will help you understand the steps you can take to ensure smooth transactions on the platform. Step 1. Understand TikTok's payment policies. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's payment policies and guidelines. This includes knowing what types of content are acceptable and what behaviors may lead to payment issues. Step 2. Maintain compliance with community guidelines. Regularly review and adhere to TikTok's community guidelines. Avoid posting content that could be flagged as inappropriate or that violates these rules, as this can lead to payment blocks. Step 3. Use a verified payment method. Ensure that you are using a verified payment method linked to your TikTok account. This could include credit cards or other payment services that TikTok accepts, which helps in reducing the risk of payment issues. Step 4. Monitor account activity. Keep an eye on your account activity for any unusual behavior. If you notice anything suspicious, take immediate action to secure your account, as compromised accounts can lead to payment blocks. Step 5. Contact support for issues. If you encounter any payment issues, reach out to TikTok's support team promptly. They can provide assistance and guidance to resolve any problems before they escalate into payment blocks. By following these steps, you can help ensure that your payments on TikTok remain uninterrupted. Staying informed and proactive is key to a smooth experience on the platform.